Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to merge deals in Pipedrive. All right, so first up, gotta log into your Pipedrive account. And once you're in here on your dashboard, just go ahead over to deals, okay? Right here in the left panel. Click on it. Now go ahead and select the deal. Let's say, for example, that it is a duplicate deal, okay? Maybe you have two deals right here with the same name. For example, Benjamin Leon right here, and this one, which got the Benjamin Leon deal. So let's just go ahead and click on one. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go to the top right, click on the three dots, and then you have the merge option. Just click on it. Now in here at the top right, go ahead and find the other deal. Okay, for example, I'm just going to type in Benjamin. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, as you can see here, we got the sample Benjamin Leon right here. So I'm just going to click on it, and then here's the side-by-side details of each deals. Okay, as you can see here, this one got 0 value, this one got 10,000. As you can see here, it says, in case of conflict, keep this data or keep this one, okay? So basically, this got the number, so I'm just going to go ahead and select this one and just click on preview. And then once done, click on merge, okay? Wait for it. All right, as you can see here, now it loads. We now got one Benjamin Leon. And this one, the second option, has been kept. All right, that is how you merge deals here in Pipedrive. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.